Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of object-oriented programming series. Use an iife to create a module. An immediately invoked function expression is often used to group related functionality into a single object or module. For example, an earlier challenge defined two mixin, glide mixin and fly mixin. We can group these two mixin into a module as follows. It's called motion module, and we have a function as iife here which returns glide mixin and fly mixin. The two parentheses cause the function to be immediately invoked. Note that you have an immediately invoked function expression that returns an object motion module. This returned object contains all the mixin behaviors as properties of the object. The advantage of the module pattern is that all the motion behaviors can be packaged into single object that can then be used by any other parts of your code. Here is an example of using it. Motion module dot glide mixin, and we pass duck here as argument, and when we use duck.glide, it will work. Task for this challenge: create a module named fun module to wrap the two mixins, execute mixin and sing mixin. Fun module should return an object. In this case, we have two mixin already, execute my mixin and sing mixin. Then let fun mixin, right? Fun module equal to, and we will start with this function. It will execute once it's done, and we will return here inside function. We are using return for, let's cut from here and paste, comma, and colon, execute mixin, and similarly for sing mixin, we'll cut it from here and paste and change it here. Okay, and colon for, in this case, of object, and remove the toollet. Let's run the tests. Okay, I was missing the parenthesis. Let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.